going on, everybody? Nancy here with TBL, and today I am going to show you some of the cool features of the DYU Electric Bike. Our friends at DYU were super cool and kind enough to send me one of their electric bikes. We are going to be trying out the C3 model and give it a whirl. I know the box looks pretty big. We have our box with our tools and our pedals, our seat. Maybe I could have opened the package outside. It's a big box to open inside of an RV, but it comes pretty much already assembled, which is one of the features that I like because I am not one of those assembly persons. Owner's manual, our pedals, our multi-tool, this is the charger. Okay friends, so far I think I like it. It's for my size, I seem to fit pretty good. I'm gonna take this outside eventually and take it for a spin. Let's plug it in. Here it is. It comes with the charger. Here is the other port, and that plugs into the side of the bike right here. I'm going to let this charge for a bit and we'll see you in a bit. Let's give it a whirl, shall you? Oh, let me show you some of the features first. Here we are. This is the on button. It has a cover on it. You can press the on button. And right over here, this button is going to tell you what your battery life is. This is your throttle. And of course, your brakes. So there you have it, friends. This bike is super fun. I highly recommend it. Thank you, DYU, for sending me this bike. Another feature that I really like about this bike is that it is collapsible to travel with it. And like I said, when we are at campgrounds, this is super cool to be able to get around. And it is light, it has the kickstand, it has brakes, it's got the whole package. If you travel like we do and you like being outdoors, this is a great product to have.
So the headlight and the taillight are on, and then when you hit the brake, it blinks. It just blinks.
Okay, friends, this is what I am talking about. Now I am at the lake here at the campground, and it is just such beautiful scenery. And when you want to come and catch the sunset, you can just hop on your electric bike and come out here and take in the scenery and be back in time for dinner. It's so beautiful here. It is so beautiful, and it is amazing to be able to have a bike to take you around the campground and explore everything. Right now I am in one of the campgrounds that Bill and I like to travel. As you all know, our channel is dedicated to travel, the outdoors, seeing new things, finding new adventures, and here we are. So we are going to try out this bike. One of the great aspects of having an electric bike when you are traveling in an RV, in our particular case, is that some of these campgrounds, as you can see from the back, it is absolutely beautiful, and some of them are really big, and sometimes it will be a little bit of a walk to go from your RV to the laundry room, to go to the swimming pool, and sometimes you just want to go for a swim, right? And down here in Texas, it can get sometimes up to 112 degrees, and even if you're walking, let's just say a couple of blocks, it gets hot. This is a great item to have in these campgrounds because you can cover a lot of distance in a short amount of time, and the bike is very compact, and you can toss it in the RV, you can toss it in the back of the truck, and it's ready to go. Come on, friends, who would not want to come out here and look at this beautiful scenery? And like I said, some of these campgrounds are so big that you need something to get around, and an electric bike is the best option.
So the taillight's on, that's cool.
Yeah, so when you're riding at night.
Yeah, so hit the brake. Let me see if it brightens up. Hit it now. It goes, oh, it blinks. So the headlight and the taillight are on, and then when you hit the brake, it blinks. It just blinks.
Some of the best features of this bike is that you can go up to 15 miles an hour, and the battery lasts for a really long time. So you can do city, you can do campgrounds like I'm doing right now. Right out here, you can just pedal, you can use the pedal assist. There's a number of things that you can do. Thank you for joining me, friends. I am going to put a link in the description for this bike where you can see and click on the link where you can get a discount code, and also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment on the channel and let me know if you have an electric bike and if you have tried the DYU C3, and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's it, friends. The handlebar is collapsible, but since I have it in the back of the truck, I can just go ahead and shove it in there. So thank you, friends, for joining me in this super fun video with this bike. I am going to put in the description below the link where you can get your very own DYU bike. And again, thank you to our friends at DYU for sending us that fabulous electric bike. Let me know in the comments below if you have an electric bike, and if so, which one do you have, and do you like it? Do you use it? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.